Okay, it's Kim's turn. I am not gonna repot Kim. Because if it ain't broke, no. He's got roots coming out of the bottom of the holes, but he also has a new leaf popping out like every other week. So whatever. He can stay in there for a while longer. Also, I've got a ton of Monstera like planted in the pot with him, and I don't really want to deal with him. However, I still need to wrangle him. So I'm just gonna we're just gonna deal with the wrangling, and I think that's gonna be quite enough. Here's what I'm working with currently. I have lots of things in here. These all have to come out. I have to take all of these out, and I'm gonna attempt to put it on that tomato thingy. So we'll see. In my brain, this is gonna go really well. My brain also knows better than to trust my brain, so. All right. I'm actually really mad that the live yesterday didn't record for several reasons. But you missed a lot of Pam ramble. We talked about everything from Post Malone dancing. Ouch. I think I might have mentioned Cowboy Carter a little bit, how I've switched on to Cowboy Carter, although I've already switched back to the tortured, twisted department. There's so many just like sticks. Oh my gosh. Okay. They're everywhere. All right, there we go. Ta-da! In my head, I'm gonna be able to just like stick this guy in there and kind of weave the leaves in where I want them, but both of those things kind of have to happen simultaneously, and that's gonna be my issue. Oh, yesterday we talked about my bionic hip and how at some point I need to actually post the video about my hip replacement. It was an absolute medical nightmare. Cause that's a fun time. Okay, Again, easier in theory. I need to get this under all of those, and but I have no idea how to do this. Okay. Like, it would be helpful if I could like open this. This is crazy. I have to cut it. Maybe that'll work. We're about to find out. We're gonna pause. Okay, we're gonna restart here. I have wrangled this thing into this much. I didn't film it because I decided that I didn't want you guys to see me cry. So this took a while, but I started the camera right as soon as I was at a point where I could like stop. What I'm gonna do is like tie some of these to here. I'm gonna let some of these out gently. Okay. I want all of these out of the top. Oh shit, I broke the most recent one. Of course it did. I'm just gonna attach them to this thing. Because, yeah. Somehow. There's always Velcro. Nobody's gonna notice this bright green trellis in my living room, right? I don't want to put paint in my plant. So it is what it is. And that is not the most attractive, but whatever. I hope it looks like I know what I'm doing. But it seems to be working, so I'm gonna keep doing it. You gotta make sure and use enough Velcro on these things, otherwise you will be reattaching the Velcro forever otherwise. I think there's only one left. Alright, you're a little crazy right now, but okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, well this was everything that was around before. And now we have a trellis. So if you want to try this, maybe start when they're younger than this. And you don't need to get one this tall. Like, you could get one of the smaller ones. I would get one of the smaller ones next time. You don't really need this tall one. I mean, eventually. So never mind. Give it whatever size you want. Oh, hello. Okay, this is fun. What I am going to do is I'm going to put some fresh soil in here. So, getting the new nutrients from the new stuff. The fake repot. The cheat. And it's fine. And if your plants don't really need to be repot, but they could use a little fresh something. You know, soil's getting a little low. It's been a while. The volume's definitely gone down over the couple years it's been in here. So this will be appreciated, I think. Oh, and yesterday you also missed me basically calling some of you out prematurely for the inappropriate things I was doing with my hands with the soil. I didn't need to remind you of that. Ugh, these roots are crazy. Give the roots a little love too. You know what, this actually might give the Siltopecana something to grow up to. I didn't even think about that, but that's an added plus. Well, that looks okay. A little crazy with the limpy in the middle, but you know, he'll perk up. He'll be right under a light. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I'm gonna have to get used to it a little bit, but I don't hate it. Like, I thought it was gonna be too bright green, but it's really not. Like, it's pretty close to not that far off.